Heyoka here, and today I have such a special video. We have an AMORESY unboxing video. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful, grateful. Thank you so much, AMORESY. I can't wait to see what's inside. So, let's get stuck in. I cannot wait to get unboxing, and let's see my haul. So within you find a lovely AMORESY card, and it has an Our Story AMORESY brand story, and also it comes with a list of our haul, which is 6 items that I cannot wait to show to you. I'm very excited. Again, thank you so much, AMORESY. I am so thankful and so blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm just going to give a visual to show you what it's like when you open your box. Okay, so within your gorgeous AMORESY box, you do receive this beautiful card, and it has a list of our haul, which is all the products we are going to be looking at today. They come in these great waterproof, airtight, sealed bags so that your products can't get damaged during transportation, and even if you wanted to store them within, you could do. Look at these colors! I'm so excited. So also within it does have a brand story, but as this isn't an American or English company, I'm not sure what their brand story is, but I will do my discovering. And there is a gorgeous model, as you can see, who's wearing an AMORESY swimsuit just like me, which I have paired with a suit jacket and some leggings today, as they're so comfortable, silky smooth, very fashionable, and everyone who sees me is like, what's that saying? I'm like, it's AMORESY. Do you want 10% off? Happy Holistic Heyoka. So let's get to have Water Spout Blue, which is this gorgeous color here. I cannot wait to try this on. Also, you will notice that they are very clever within their packaging methods and styles, and they do include a card so that your product isn't going to be creased and wrinkled. They're folded in a very efficient way. And oh my gosh, this is so silky smooth. Look at the color. Next up, we have the nude. Very pretty. The 056 red. The 050 blue. And also your 045 black. Let's try them on.